How to open US Bank credit card account. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, all you gotta do is head over to any of the web browser. In the source bar, search for US Bank credit card, login or sign up. Now head over to the very first site, account login. Wait for a while for the website to load. It will land you on this page. If you want to get enrolled, click on Enroll in Online Credit Card Access right over here. Again, you have to wait for a while. It will land you on this page where you'll be able to sign up or create your account. First of all, you simply need to enter your credit card number. Once you have entered, enter the last digit of Social Security number. Once you are done, click on Continue. After that, follow the on-screen process and then your credit card account of US Bank will be created successfully. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.